let's see how to slow down animations in Canva. And for your information, why people slow down their animations on Canva, it's because creating some emphasis. Slow animations draw attention to specific elements that enhance the visual impact. Also, it improves the visualization or the readability that gives viewers more time to read or absorb the animated text or even the logos or images. So first, you just have to follow these steps for you to able to accomplish this. So, you just have to click the icon or image or even text that you wanted to animate and then simply click the animate from these options and then select or choose an animation based on your preference. So for example, I want this white. So after that, for you to able to adjust or slower down the animations, you just need to go to the speed section and make sure the slider is on the lowest or on low. So for example, I will put it here so that the animations will be slowed down, and if the slider is on the rightmost part, of course, it will make the animations faster. So, logically, the slider needs to be on the slower one or on the leftmost part for it to slow down the animations of the text, images, or even logos on your Canva. And that's how you slow down animations in Canva. See you soon!